Amazon refund request for beginners. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and as well as clicking on that bell icon on. So let us go to our browser where we have logged in our Amazon account. So in here you can go to this option right here and go to your orders where you can see your name, and also you can go to return orders. That will be the same thing. So after clicking on that, you will see your orders here, and for me I don't have any orders, but I will show you how to do this. So example, you have an order of these socks and make sure that the order was recent, so you can just type or click on return or replace items. So once you have done that, you will be redirected to a page here where you can check the box, and then you can also give your reason on why you are returning. So just continue, and you can go to an Amazon outlet where you can return the item. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.